Okay, I have to show you this today because I am super excited about it. Kajabi, they just updated coupons. And I know that sounds kind of boring, but if you stick with me, you're going to get why I'm excited. So if you have been in Kajabi for even just a while and you have some offers, you've probably dealt with making coupons at some point in the past. And you probably will know that feeling that when you go to make a coupon and people start using it, and all of a sudden you realize that you made a mistake, maybe the wrong discount amount or the wrong expiration date, whatever it is, it's just not working properly. And the only option was to delete the entire coupon and make a brand new one. This was super annoying because if you already had people using that coupon and all your marketing material had that coupon name on it, you had to go and create a whole new coupon with a new name and go update all your marketing materials. Sometimes you even had to go and do a million graphics to change them to have the right coupon code. It was a super big mess, and I've dealt with it way too many times that I'm so done with it. But needless to say, I am pumped. Kajabi has finally fixed their coupons. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the new settings that Kajabi just recently rolled out, and I'm going to show you inside my actual Kajabi account so that you can see each of the new settings and how they work. But before I jump into my account, let me just give you a quick overview of what some of these new updates actually are. Now you can set an exact redemption limit. So let's say that your coupon code is like 50 off, okay? So you can set it so that that code can only be used like 50 times or 100 times, and then it's done. Nobody else can use it anymore. And you can also make that coupon a one-time use per customer. So if I want to give out that same 50 off coupon, I can allow it to be used up to 50 times total because it's one per person to get that coupon, okay? Now before, the old way that we could have a coupon only be used once per person, we had to use the bulk coupon codes. You'd have to generate like a whole batch of unique codes, and you have to hand out a different code to each person, which is such an admin nightmare. Now you can actually use one single code, right? 50 off for everybody. They have the same code, you can hand it out to as many people as you want, and each person is only going to get to use that code once. So much easier. Now, editing an existing coupon without having to delete it is the #1 update, but there are a few more that I want to show you. So let's get right into my account and I'll walk you through what each of these settings are and how they can help you make more sales with your Kajabi offers. Here we are inside of our Kajabi account. So this is the coupons area. We do have several coupons that we have used in the past, as well as testing coupons. So you can kind of get an idea of what the main page looks like with some coupons in it. You'll see some expired, some active. Now to create a new coupon, that has not changed at all. We can go ahead and hit new coupon right here, and we have 3 different offers that we can choose from, or not offers, but coupons. We can get a regular offer coupon, we can do a cart order coupon, or we can do our bulk coupon codes. So let's jump into offer coupon first because that is where the best stuff is. So we're going to go and create a new coupon. This is basically a regular coupon, but with some really interesting settings. So first thing is, what do we want the actual code to be? So in this case, my example was 50 off. Okay, it's going to be in all caps. That's just normal, no spaces, anything like that. And then we have the percentage off or fixed amount. This is not new, same as a regular coupon. Let's say I want to give it 100% off. So I want a free offer for somebody. I can do that. Now, what offers does this apply to? We can do it to every single offer that I have in existence on my account that's published, or I can choose a specific offer. So in this case, let me just choose a specific offer. Let's say I'll just throw it on a boot camp for now. So here's some of the new stuff. This is the redemption limits. Okay, so number of times that this coupon can be used in total. So if I want to limit it, and let's say I want this to be only for 10 people, then I can say 10 times. Then once this coupon has been used 10 times, it's done. It's expired, it's finished. Nobody else can use it. Oops. And then we can also limit it to 1 per person because we don't want them to redeem multiple. My offer, chances are they wouldn't want to redeem more than one anyway, but sometimes people have things that redeeming it more than once is a benefit to them. So you can limit that and then limit redemption to a date range. This is the expiry date. That's was there before. That's not anything different. So I can throw it on and let's say I'll expire it on that date. Okay. And then the subscription and payment plan behavior. This is not anything new, but just to explain it in case you don't know, once, so it applies to the first payment of a subscription or payment plan. So if you have a monthly subscription offer attached to this coupon, it will only apply to the first payment. If you want it to apply to more than one payment, let's say you want it to apply for 3 months, right? So 3 separate monthly payments, then we would go here and we would click on 3. Okay, so every 3 months worth. If we want it to be a forever discount, as in they're in free every single month. So if it was a recurring subscription, we can make it free forever, or not necessarily free forever, but whatever the discount might be, we can do that forever. So those are your options there. Now on this side here, a couple of new things. We have the option to put this in draft. When you make a new coupon, it will automatically be draft. Okay, I'm going to hit save because I just filled all that out and I don't want to lose it. Okay, so I hit save. It's now created the coupon code. We got a coupon ID. We have all of the details about it. It is in draft, meaning it's not active. So let me go and put it active. Okay, and hit save. Okay, it's just going to give me this info. This is what's changing. Changes apply to all future payments. Okay. This is the checkout URL right here. So if I want to copy this, I can then share this checkout link. So this is direct link with the coupon already attached to it, which is really nice in some situations. So you don't even have to give out the code. You just say, here's the link to the coupon, and it will send them to the checkout page with the coupon already added to that checkout page. So that's really handy. So that's the link for that. If you had more than one offer attached to this, so let me go add another offer in here. Let's just throw on an Unstuck Me call with Malva. Hit save. Okay. There we go. Refresh. Okay. And now we have both offers here. We have the checkout link to the Foundations Bootcamp or the Unstuck Me call, and I can copy the link there. So I can just switch between them and grab those links. Okay, so that's super, super helpful. Then we have analytics for our coupons right here on the coupon. That's a new feature, and I love that. So I can't wait to start seeing what the analytics look like on our coupons once they start rolling out there. That's it for the basic coupon setup. Okay, now if I head back over to the coupons area, we can take a look at the other types of coupons. Hey, I am super sorry to interrupt this video, but really quick, I just wanted to jump in and ask you, do you like these kinds of walkthrough videos? Because I am trying to figure out whether I should keep making these product update videos where I actually show you inside my Kajabi account, or if you'd rather I just kind of tell you about the updates and what they are without the screen share, or maybe there's like a totally different kind of video that you'd rather see. So if you're enjoying this style of video with the screen share walkthrough, hit the like button because it tells me and it tells the YouTube algorithm that this is the kind of video that I should keep making. But if you'd actually prefer something different, maybe more videos where I just explain things without needing to see me inside of the account, then drop that in the comments and let me know what you would rather see. And if you ever do want to chat with me directly, you can come over to unstuckmeclub.com, and that's our community where you can talk with me and Malva, ask us anything Kajabi related, and we can do our best to help you out there. Okay, back to the walkthrough. Cart order, we have here where we can do discounts on the total cart. So on that, if you want to take a quick peek here, everything is fairly similar, really not a whole lot different. You just don't have like the subscription type options, which you don't need. So everything is pretty basic there. And then we can go back to the coupons area here, go to new coupon and the bulk coupon codes here, confirm. Okay, here we can do an internal name. So if you wanted to like say that this is for a company, so I want to give a whole bunch of different coupon codes to a company and I want each person to have a different coupon, different code, I can go and create those here. So I can put the name of the organization here. I can put how many codes do I want. Let's say I want 50 codes. and then I want them to be 100% off. Let's say that the company gave me a check to pay for 50 seats, and I got that money, and so they're going to get these for 100% off. And I'm going to put it on my specific offer. Scroll down here. I'll grab the offer. Okay, and then I'm going to hit save. I better put a name on it. Company name. Okay, so they don't see a coupon code in the sense of like a name, like 50 off or anything like that. Once I hit save, it's going to create 50 random codes that you'll see. They're all random letters like this. And then I can go and export them. It's going to give me a CSV file, so like an Excel template file that I can use to send to that customer or send to that client, and then they can distribute those codes however they want. And if you want, you can go and copy a code and send it off to somebody. This is really a tedious way to do it for people in your own business, but it's helpful if you have somebody that has paid externally and you need to give everybody a separate code. You can do that this way. But the new way with just having your, one code, one coupon, and just limit it to 51 redemption each, it definitely makes it so much easier. You don't have to deal with these individual codes, but they're still here if you want them. And just a quick tip, do not forget to put publish whenever you are working on any coupons, because before they were automatically published, there was no draft, but now there's drafts. So you want to make sure that you don't miss that. If you're ready to head down the rabbit hole of Kajabi related videos, check out this next video that is on your screen that YouTube thinks that it's probably the one that you might be interested in next. Hopefully it picked the right one for you. I'll see you over there.